Kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, pink color, purple color, red color, yellow color, black color and green color. So kids, now you draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. T for dog. E for egg. Kids, now you draw F. F for fish. G for guard. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. Kids, now you draw N. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. Kids, now you draw W. The alphabets of W. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.